Hey, hello everyone, and in today's video we are going to see about when to apply for scholarship and how to apply for scholarship and where to find your scholarship. So lately I have been asked questions like, bro, in case if I need to apply for scholarship, when I should apply, and is there or how I should find also. So basically when you will be applying the scholarship is in many university, you when you apply itself, the university itself, when they are giving your admission, they will give you a scholarship. For example, when I applied in University of Florida, I got a scholarship of $4,500 from the university, and from North Carolina Charlotte I received a scholarship of $9,000. So for these two scholarship I didn't have to go and apply anything in separate in their portal. But in when I applied in the University of North Carolina Charlotte, there were some scholarship which they were showing. After I getting my admission, I need to go into their website and search for what all the scholarship available with them, and then I applied. So in order for you guys, in case if you already got admit or if you are expecting some university whether they are giving a scholarship or not, I created a free tool for you guys. You can come to my website and try the scholarship finder. So here if you go and type your CGPA, for example say like 3.3, and the country is United States, nationality is Indian, and university, which university you are applying for, let me use like University of North Carolina, okay, University of Florida, because I studied there. I'm using that, and then which department you are going for, which department you studied. I studied electrical engineering, and applying for ECE, English proficiency score 92, gender male, ethnicity Asian, and intake, whichever intake you are going for, program you need to give, and work experience if you have anything you can give. So these all the details you need to give it, and then click here find scholarship. In case if you click it, it will ask you to detect coins, and I have a very active WhatsApp group, and also there are a lot of people over there. In case if you want to join there and ask for coins, in case if your coin is done, you can request coins over there. I'll definitely increase your coin. Why I'm keeping that system is I don't want to people misuse it, so I have a limit over there. But in case if you want, come and ask in the WhatsApp group. And here is the details, guys. So once I give all these things, it will give the list of scholarship links, and what is the application deadline, and who can apply, and everything it will show. So in case if you are someone who is looking for a scholarship, you can definitely try here. Very specific to your university, it will tailor and show. This is what I wanted to share you today. And when you need to apply is, as I told in the start of the video, it really depends. So some cases, once if you apply itself, you will get the scholarship. But for some scholarship, after you are applying, after you are getting your admission in your hand or admit in your hand, then you need to go and look into their university and then start applying for the scholarship. It really depends, and in few university, for example if we take University of Texas at Dallas, in case if you get a scholarship of $1,000, they will reduce their tuition fee to in-state tuition fee, which is like 1/3 of the original tuition fee. So these kind of scholarships also available. It's everything is university specific, and knowing all those scholarship is really impossible. That's why I created this tool. All you need to do is fill all this detail, click find scholarship, download your XLS file, and in case if you want to know more scholarship, then always click again find scholarship and stuff like this. It will ask you to direct coins, and then it will again give you a different set of scholarship. And this is all, guys, and hope this video will be really helpful for you. And in case if you want to know anything more related to scholarship stuff, feel free to put a message down here. And always you are welcome to join my WhatsApp group and speak over there too. Bye, have a good day.